Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Oh, I just got stopped. Okay. That was like a $5,000 profit position. I do think as of right now, we are headed higher up to mid-trend around 513.7 on SPX. News came out today and it was very, very bullish. So we did see this huge fucking candle up here go all the way up. But again, as of right now, I am extremely bullish towards the upside, at least up to like 514. You know, we already broke, right? You already broke here on the 4 hour. So whenever you break like that, you know, and you don't hit that mid trend, there's like a super, super high chance. There you go. See, hit up here. He actually broke similar to this. I do think you are going like that. You're going to do something like that where you push up on the next 4 hours. So I do think that as of today, first target would be 514. Today, max target would be 516. So I do think that as of right now, we have a really good chance of going up to 514 and then possibly squeezing to 516 on SPX. Let me see. Where's it? Yes. Let me see on the minute. You did drop down here. It does look like you're gonna keep pushing. Man, I should have had my stop. I think, yeah, I do think yes, it's gonna keep going. So yeah, I do think SPX 500 is gonna keep shooting up. Again, possibly, I'm like 90% sure we're going to mid-trend right here at like 514. And again, 50-50 chance you squeeze to 516 today. So very, very bullish overall. Minimum at least to 514. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.